Welcome to That'sCoolWire.com. In this video, we are so excited to introduce you to the new patented Easy Snap Connector. Before we show you the connector, I just want to show you the tools required to go ahead and solder on a connector onto EL wire. You need a power, heat gun, soldering gun. Obviously you need solder, different tools to cut the wire and strip it, shrink tubing, the connector itself, and EL wire, of course, and then a surface to work on, and then a smoke extractor to suck up the solder smoke to keep a safe working environment. Well, none of this is needed any longer. Let us now introduce you to the new patented Easy Snap Connector. This connector has been in development for over 5 years. It has over 120 different design changes. Over 30 prototypes have been made. Over 1,000 hours of extensive testing. The wait is over, and That's Cool Wire now presents to you the new patented Easy Snap Connector. The only tool required is a wire stripper to strip the end of the wire. Grab a connector. Place the EL wire in the connector. Close it. Hear the snap. Grab an inverter. Turn it on. It's that simple. It literally took us about 10 seconds to get this EL wire to light up, where if you were to solder it, it could go anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes, the whole process of soldering. So we are so excited. This connector is now available to you. So please visit us at That'sCoolWire.com.